In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password for your Microsoft Outlook account. If you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it to enhance your account's security, follow these simple steps and you'll have it done in no time. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Microsoft Outlook's login page. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Sign In. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. You'll need to provide your email address and then click Next. After that, go ahead and enter your password when prompted. Once you've entered these details accurately, click Sign In to access your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or initials in a circle. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage various settings related to your Microsoft account. Once you're on the account dashboard, take a moment to look around the upper right portion of the page. You're searching for an option that says Change Password. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. And this will take you to a page dedicated to updating your password. On this page, you'll need to enter your current password. This is a crucial step to verify your identity and ensure that you're authorized to make this change. After you've input your current password, you'll see fields to enter a new password. Here, it's important to choose a password that's strong and secure, ideally combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the following field to confirm that you've typed it correctly and haven't made any mistakes. Once you're confident that both new password entries match and meet security guidelines, the next move is to click the Save button. This will officially update your password, applying the change to your account. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Microsoft Outlook password. Remember, regularly updating your password is a great practice for maintaining the security of your account. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult the Microsoft support pages for more assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.